Hello everyone, today's lesson is going to be about finding the nth term. First, we need to know some stuff before starting exercises. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between successive terms is always the same number. For example, here are some arithmetic sequences: 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 12, 32, 52, 72, 92, 20, 17, 14, 11, 8. The expression for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is always of the form an plus b. Okay, the difference between successive terms is equal to the number a. The number b can be found by looking at the terms. Look at the sequences a, b, and c. For sequence a, the nth term is the nth term is 2n plus b. For sequence b, the nth term is 20n plus b. For sequence c, the nth term is negative 3n plus b. So, because here 2 is 5 to 7, we need to add 2. 7 to 9, we need to add 2. 9 to 11, we need to add 2. So the A is 2. Here in B, from 12 to 32, we need to add 20. From 32 to 52, we need to add 20. So A is 20 in sequence B. In C, we need to minus 3 to get 17, and we need to minus 3 to get 14, and so on. So it's negative 3n. Okay, and we could find the b by, like here in sequence A, it is 5, 7, 9. Here it's 2. We need to add 2 every time. So to get 5 from in the first term, we need to add 3. So b will be 3. So b is going to be 3. So what about b? In b, the first term is 12. So what do we need to add or minus to get 12? We need to minus 8. So it's going to be minus 8, and we don't need this plus. So the nth term is 20n minus 8. What about c? In c, the first term is 20, and here is negative 3. So b, we need to add 23 to get 20. So it's going to be 23 plus negative 3n. Okay, let's do this first question. Okay, find a formula for the nth term of the sequences. Okay, first one, here you could realize that we need to add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4. So the nth term will be 4n plus b. As we could realize, to get from 4 to b, we need from 4 to 5 as the first term, we need to add 1. So the nth term is going to be 4n plus 1. Okay, what about the second one? Here we need to add 4, add 4, add 4. So it's going to be 4n plus b. How much do we need to add or subtract to get 4 from 6? We need to add 2. So it's going to be 4n plus 2. What about this third one, 5 from 10, we need to add 5. 10 to 15, we need to add 5. 15 to 20, we need to add 5. so it's going to be 5n plus b. So here, how much do we need to subtract or add to get 5 from 5? We don't need to add or subtract anything, so it should just be 5n. Okay, what about this fourth one? It might look hard, but it's very easy. First, that is the first term, second term, second term, third term, fourth term. So you could realize that the numerator is just the place, the place. So first, second, third, fourth. So it's going to be n over n plus 1. As you could see here, 2, we need to add we need to get from 1 to 2, we need to add 1. So it's going to be n over 1 plus 1. n plus 1. What about this one? Question 5. Here you could see that is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So you could see that the numerator is the same, is constant. So I'll just add 5 here, and here 1 is just the placement. So first, second, third is the place. So here we'll just do n squared. So that's the answer. Okay, let's do the second question. Here is a sequence of shapes made from sticks. Shape number 1, 2, 3, number of sticks 4, 7, 10. The number of sticks makes the sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, and so on. The question A is telling us find an expression for the nth term in the sequence. First, let's do question A, and then we're going to go back to question B. Okay, find an expression for the nth term in the sequence. So here they already told us the sequence, so we'll just not look at the sticks and confuse ourselves. So here you could realize that we need to add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. So it's going to be 3n plus b. Here the first term is 4. How much do we need to add or subtract to get 4? To get 3 to 4, we need to add 1. So it's going to be 3n plus 1. So that is the expression that we are going to use. Here in question B, it's telling us how many sticks are there in shape number 1000. So it's going to be 3 and 1000 equals n. So it's going to be 3 multiply 1000 plus 1. So 3 multiply 1000 equals 3000 plus 1 equals 3001. If you have any questions about finding the nth term, please put them down in the comments and I will try my best to answer your question, and see you next time.